Hello America, Mark Kelson here today, beautiful Junction City, Oregon, to present to you one of the finest coaches ever. 2019 Newmar 4018 model on the Spartan chassis. 40-foot coach. Let's go inside and see what it has to offer. This coach has an exquisite interior. Beautiful color on the couch and the two seats over here. Nice floor right here, and this is a heated floor, a 3-stage heated floor in this coach, so your feet will remain warm at all points in time. This little bed right here, you have a televator TV over here. This is the Coastal Cherry wood, by the way, so the finish on this is just beautiful. Look at that grain. Cabinetry, they make it, it's the best there is. Over here we have the little island, and you're going to have in this coach the induction cooktop. You have the Whirlpool microwave convection oven, along with a stainless steel sink, dual sink I might add, and numerous drawers below. And right in here, this is kind of neat, this is typical Newmar stuff. The little slide out, you can put stuff in, and that way you can reach to the back and get at the stuff. Over here you have the Euro booth, which just pulls out and gives you a little more room, but this is so comfortable just to sit back in this thing, kick your leg up, put your arm right here, and it's just really a natural seating position. You do have the shades over here, so you'll have two. You'll have the filter shades and you'll have the blackout shades. Right here is the refrigerator. You do have water at the door. Let's see if that'll open up there. Yes, it will. And then you have the freezer on the bottom. And then strategically placed is a wonderful pantry area with the pullouts. Now, this is a bath and a half, so right behind us is going to be the half bath with an articulating door right there, so you can open it as the slide outs are actually closed. So there's your half bath for guests. Coming back into the bedroom, it features a wonderful true king-size bed, 72 by 80, ventilation windows on the side, nice cabinetry up above with lighting, and little nightstands on the side. So when you're laying here, you do have a TV over here on the other side to relax at night after a long day's travel. You have wardrobes on both sides, which is very nice, and that's to put your shirts and whatnot in, with a bank of drawers underneath. Coming to the back, here is your full bath with a corner shower right here, little seat sitting in there, very nice. Over here you have a full wardrobe and also a safe to put your valuables in, and then also you have a place for a washer and dryer over here if you so desire in this coach. If not, beautiful storage. One thing that Newmar does is they put this egress door right here, right directly behind the commode, so in the event of a catastrophe you can open the door up. It has a ladder that comes out and down so you can get out if you need to, heaven forbid, but it is there. Let's go up front and see what it has to offer. Now, Newmar does put a hydraulic lift over here for the slide out, which enables them to put tile throughout that slide. It lifts a lot more weight is what it does. Coming up here into the cockpit, beautiful flex steel seating. This is on a Spartan chassis in this particular coach. It has a 450. This is the real deal right here. Side draft radiator, it's got it all. You got HWH leveling, you have your backup and side cameras, navigation. This coach is well built. You also have an aqua hot in this coach, so you have diesel fired furnace and hot water on demand. You got the Girard awning, which just go right up the side of the coach and give it a real sleek look, and you'll see that when we get to the outside. But this coach is built. Here you have another TV right here. Let's go outside, show you a few of the treats outside. Newmar features full body paint, masterpiece finish on these coaches. This is an awesome coach. You see the Girard awnings up above. They do have LED lighting on them. Your slide toppers do come out with the extension of the slide. This one in particular does have also window awnings, and those are the frameless windows. Very smoky color, very nice. Big chassis. Nice area under here. There is one of your full slide trays. Goes from one side to the other. Easy access to your stuff underneath. Very cool. Backing up, this one does feature an outdoor TV. On this one right here, you have a half slide tray. A little bit wider, but a little bit shallower. And one thing Newmar does, they back that the tank up right there. They put this pegboard there so you can put tools and things in there. Very handy. Tag axle. So that is a passive tag, so it does turn when you steer, it follows. Coming to the back, you got your 450 in there. Beautiful coach, beautiful coach. You have a 10,000 pound tow right here. In the back, you have air. This does have a 360 side cameras on it, so you got your backup camera and then your 360 view cameras on it. Just incredible. Coming around to the side, your side draft radiator. One thing Newmar does, they fit this to the inside of the sidewall rather than overlapping onto the side of the unit. Really cuts down on air and moisture having the ability to get in there. And you can see that over here on this coach, how that works. But this does have your water bay right there, your hose, and your outdoor shower, your filter, everything right there. Whoops. Coming up here, you're going to have a 50 amp service cord reel. That's an automatic cord reel. Coming right here, you have the Oasis hydronic heating right there. So that's your diesel fired furnace and hot water on demand. And then you're going to have your slide out tray on this side. So there it is on this side. So you can pull it out over here also. And right here, you got a bank of batteries that just won't quit. So this is an all-electric coach, and so they give you more batteries in there for more power. You got the huge inverter in this coach. Your generator right there is in the front. There's your run bay with all your fuses and all their connections in there. Whoa. Side cameras, beautiful coach. 2019 4018 on a Spartan chassis. If this coach is of interest to you, please give me a call. My name is Mark Kelson, 541-285-8791, or the number at the bottom of your screen. Thank you for watching.